everyone, welcome back to my channel. So as you can see, the angle is a little bit different because we are going to try out that new beauty hack that's been all over Instagram. Like, that's been gone viral, that's been taking over the beauty community. Like, if I knew about this, I would have done this a long time ago instead of spending like $15 on some mink lashes. What? So we are going to see if this hack really works. If it doesn't, I'm going to be really disappointed, but not really, because y'all know I get my lashes from AliExpress. So, and those lashes are actually like $2.39. So yes, I'm the lash plug. Okay. However Cardi B does it. So the things you will need are lashes. I tried to get the most like synthetic lashes as possible, but you know, the ones that look nice, just in case this does work, I can wear them out. And they're also gonna need like a spoolie. I get my spoolies from Amazon. This is like a fresh spoolie, so there's like no product on it. And these lashes were actually $1.99. They were having a sale 3 for $5, but I didn't see another pair of lash that I want, because if this doesn't work, these are going in the trash. So I'm gonna start with these lashes first, the ones at the top. So we're gonna put these ones to the side, and I'm gonna flip it this way so I can see what I'm doing. I'll show you this. I'll keep it this way. I'm gonna zoom in a little bit more so y'all can like see what's going on. So it says to just take the spoolie and like brush it really hard. Y'all, this like really worked for real. I'm kind of disappointed in myself, because if I'm actually like a beauty guru, I should have thought of this myself, but clearly I'm not. So this is the mink, well, not the mink, this one is the brushed out one. And you see how it's like more like fluffier when you turn it to the side. They look a little shorter, but that's fine, because they don't look like this. This looks disgusting. This looks popping. So I just finished the other lash. I did it off camera, but you see this? She was not playing when she was sitting in her room just thinking of how to be famous, y'all. I wish I was this creative. So we're gonna do a more tougher lash. This looks like it's gonna be the struggle, but we're gonna see. So these are the lashes. Like, popping ton. Okay, so these are the lashes done. Don't mind this side. I realized there was like some extra glue stuck like on the lash, but this side is beautiful. So as you can see, this hack really does work. You saw it here first. Like, it works. So if you do not want to spend hella money on lashes, do this trick and you will be literally good to go. Alright everyone, thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Also subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already. If you are new to my channel, welcome. And I look forward to seeing y'all in my next hack, video, tutorial, whatever. Bye guys.